This video shows cataract surgery being done in a white intumescent cataract using Alcon Centurion Phacomachine with active sentry handpiece. The white intumescent cataract, it is difficult to do a CCC, but this is effectively achieved using trypan blue dye. Once we have a perfect CCC, the nucleus is chopped into multiple pieces and then it is consumed with the Alcon Centurion Phaco handpiece with minimal phaco time. Once the complete removal of the nucleus is done, we proceed with a cortical wash, and once we make sure that the cortical bag is very clean, we can proceed with implantation of a foldable intraocular lens. In this case, we are using the Alcon IQ intraocular lens, and as you can see, the lens is perfectly centered in the bag to ensure that the patient gets perfect eyesight. Thank you.